Hey you guys, what's up? So here's the look that we will be creating today. And what I'm using first is the Melt Cosmetics Radioactive palette. And unfortunately, I thought I was filming and I wasn't. So I already have a couple colors laid down. So we already have Neon and Radon laid down, and now we're going to go in with Xenon, and that's that lime green. And I'm just placing that above both of those colors. Now we are taking Arsenic, which is that beautiful teal blue shade, and I'm just placing that on the inner portion of the lid. Next, we're going in with Meltdown. Next to Meltdown, I'm placing Hazmat. And then to finish this lid off, I'm taking the shade Radioactive. Now I'm taking the shade Miss Thing by Hank & Henry. This is one of their liquid lipsticks, and I'm just placing that into my waterline, and I also applied this to the brows as well. Then on the lower lash line area, we're going to take those same three shades that we started out with, Neon, Radon, and Xenon. Now I'm just applying some Beat Gang lashes, and these are in the style Libra. Use my code BRIA for money off. Now just to make those eyebrows pop a bit, I'm taking Beauty UK's Pro Gel Eyeliner in the shade Electric Blue. Sorry, the name has rubbed off just a little bit, but yeah. This is a shocking neon blue, and I love it. I'm also matching my lips to my brows and using those same two products. And that is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.